video is going to show you how to get a sound effect that's on YouTube. So in YouTube here, I've just typed in bird sound effect, and this one's come up, so I'll have a quick listen and see if that's what I'm looking for. And then if I'm happy with it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, copy this, and I'm going to go to YouTube MP3, which is linked on the classroom post for this. And up here I'll paste in the URL, convert video, and you can see it's the right one here, and press download, and the MP3 will come up down here, which you can then play and save it into your Digitech folder.